how to fix Fortnite building bug in the latest update. So it does depend when you are watching this video, but the first things you can check or to troubleshoot are going to be these in your settings. So go ahead into your settings over here and go into your controls, depending on which you are using, either controller, your keyboard and controls, or a mouse and keyboard. You're going to go ahead and try restoring them to default. But make sure you already remember your normal keybinds, but you're going to test it out on the default options to see if the building is working properly from there. You can also go ahead here into your game section, into building, and you'll have the simple build, you have the reset building choice, and turbo building. These does make the building a bit more different, so you can go ahead and test each of these out as well. Same with the editing here as well, so building and editing. If you're on keyboard and mouse, you can also go ahead and disable your lock input. So still in your settings, go ahead into mouse and keyboard and scroll down until you find this, which is lock input method as mouse. Make sure you turn that off over there. One last thing you can try is to restart and update your Fortnite. You can go ahead into your Epic Games launcher and fully close the Fortnite, of course, reopen it and test building in creative first. You can also install any new Fortnite patches that are available, since update-related building bugs may need an official Epic fix. But those are a few troubleshooting tips you can do if you have a bit of a glitch on your building. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.